Hi, I'm Nicole, an occupational therapist from the Note Ninjas. Together with Stephanie, the PT, we are an OT and PT duo helping other therapists with treatment planning and documentation. Today, we are so excited to share Geri-Gadgets Fidget Gidget Bucket, an engaging and effective tool designed to provide calming sensory stimulation for seniors with dementia. Now, Geri-Gadgets was inspired by founder Angela Fairhurst's creation for her mothers with dementia. This thoughtfully crafted bucket includes 5 unique gadgets, each designed for each manipulation and maximal benefit. Made from premium, non-toxic materials, each component is safe, virtually indestructible, and easy to clean. Simply wipe with soap and water or toss them in the washing machine. I'm going to show you exactly what's in this Fidget Gidget bucket and how to use these. First, we have something that's called the tugger. It's hexagonal in shape, pastel colored straws joined together with elastic for endless pulling and shaping fun. So this is a fun one to play with, fidget around, love it. Next is a silicone sensory mat. So this is really cool, I love the color. It's a teal round disc and it's perfect for crunching, for throwing, offering both sensory and cognitive stimulation. I really like the material here, it feels good in the hands. Next, we have, this is a squishy egg. So it's orange, once again, beautiful colors that they chose. That fits perfectly in the hand. It provides a soothing exercise and calming relaxation. So it's great for the hands because you're targeting all those intrinsic hand muscles, but it's also just a very sensory calming tool. And then we have a silicone TheraPad. It's a yellow triangle. So these popping bubbles, it adds some auditory, you can hear it pop, and some tactile stimulation. So I love this. It's yellow, bright. And then lastly is the click chain. Ooh, love this sound. It's segmented purple and blue, and it's a link chains and bends and twists. It makes a satisfying noise, so I like it. It's something you could just sit there and play with, bend it, make some shapes. So we love all these tools. They're so good for patients with dementia. They help to stimulate them in a safe way too. So, there's no piece of it they can choke on. They can wash it. So if you have this box and you're using it between multiple patients, then you can just clean it in between, just wipe it down with some soap and water. Super easy to clean, and then store it back in the box. So it all comes, it's very easy to, in the box too is, it's silicone. So it's not heavy, it's easy to carry around. The squishy egg, the pad, and the straws. So that is the Fidget Gidget box from Geri-Gadgets. We're so excited to partner up with them, and we can't wait to show you some more videos and some documentation ideas when using these products. So make sure to follow us, the Note Ninjas, for more treatment planning and documentation.